Kodak pharmaceutical scam. I really appreciate that you're here for this video, because today we're going to investigate the possibility of Kodak becoming one of America's pharmaceutical giants, and why it may be a scam. If you're not subscribed, you're missing out. So subscribe and ring that notification bell. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, just a guide to how I manage my finances and invest my time and money. Do you think Kodak could branch out into the pharma space? Let me know in the comments below. Kodak Stock. Kodak, ticker symbol KODK, has had an enormous parabolic move in recent days. The stock is currently priced at $38.90 and is up over 1,437%, with a local high of $59.15. This is due to President Donald Trump enacting the Defense Production Act of 1950, a $750 million federal loan for generic drug production at Kodak's facility in Rochester, New York. What happened to Kodak? Kodak, founded in 1888, dominated the film production industry for over 100 years. However, filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy on January 19, 2012. This is because they failed to innovate and transition into the digital photography era. Kodak did emerge from bankruptcy on September 3, 2013, and recently began producing printed circuit boards for ventilators, hand sanitizer, and face shields. The Rochester facility, the Kodak factory located in Eastman Business Park in upstate New York, was built in 1894. The site houses over 4.8 square kilometers, 1,200 square acres of manufacturing infrastructure, along with a wastewater treatment facility. The pharmaceuticals division is estimated to bring 260 blue-collar jobs and 1,200 temporary construction jobs to the area. The facility is estimated to manufacture 25% of all ingredients required to produce generic medication. This eliminates outsourcing the production of these ingredients to overseas facilities, such as the ones in China and India. The scam. The reason I am skeptical as to this project materializing is due to the history of Kodak. What is the likelihood of this actually happening? Will the facility be put to good use, or is this just hot air? I would like to draw your attention to this BBC article from July 2018. Kodak Bitcoin mining scheme evaporates. In January, a Bitcoin mining computer labeled the Kodak Cash Miner was on display on Kodak's official stand at the CES technology show in Las Vegas. In its promotional material, Spotlight said an upfront investment of $3,400 would generate earnings of $375 a month for 2 years by mining Bitcoin. However, critics said the promised profits did not take into account that mining Bitcoin is becoming increasingly difficult. Could Kodak Pharmaceuticals suffer the same fate as the Kodak Cash Miner, or could recent events alter the outcome? Until I see company financials regarding Kodak's pharmaceuticals adventure, I personally would not be investing in this company. However, it can be a good speculative play. Key takeaways. Kodak stock is currently priced at $38.90 and is up over 1,437%, with a local high of $59.15. This is due to President Donald Trump enacting the Defense Production Act of 1950, a $750 million federal loan for generic drug production at Kodak's facility in Rochester, New York. The pharmaceutical division is estimated to bring 260 blue-collar jobs and 1,200 temporary construction positions to the area. You are going to want to click on one of the two videos on screen now, because they both contain an exceedingly powerful message that can help you in your investing journey.